As a B2B business owner, do you own an advanced system that helps you to manage your business in a time-saving and more efficient way? As part of our ecosystem, the Executive Summary App is a system integrated with accounting system that offers a detailed summary of company's sales amount. It is specially designed for business owners and managers to easily check the performance of the company. Through the Executive Summary App, you are able to easily grasp the details of sales and collection amount, top salesperson, list of hot selling items, as well as top customer. Business owners can clearly see the work performance of the employees and company. Once a problem occurs, such as shortage of goods or customer arrears, business owners will be notified instantly by the system to find out the problem. This is to avoid the expansion of the problem that could cause greater losses. Executive Summary App provides an interactive visual interface with business intelligence capabilities for you to view your sales statistic anytime, anywhere, even without the need for knowledge in IT. Executive Summary App, a system that allows business owners to easily grasp all important information of the company anytime, anywhere.